How to fix Twitter keeps scrolling up. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Twitter keeps scrolling up. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Twitter application, let's first visit the App Store over here and search for Twitter. Tap on Twitter, and now if it shows an update button, that means that you have to click on that because that means that your Twitter is currently outdated. So updating it will have you the latest features and the latest bug fixes within the app. So once you have made sure that your Twitter is up to date, assuming that I have now updated it, I will now go ahead and open Twitter over here. And as you are on the news feed, you just click on your profile icon at the top left corner and click on Settings and Privacy. Next, you have to click on Accessibility, Display, and Languages. So just click on that and click on Accessibility. So the first solution that we have to do is to focus on this option right here that says Reduce Motion. So reducing the motion limits the amount of in-app animations, including screen transitions and live engagement counts. So let's just click on the toggle button right here to have it turn green, and that should help on fixing your problem. So if that does not work, you have to go to your settings app over here, go to General, and click on iPhone Storage. So wait for this page to load and you should see the list of your apps. Just click on Twitter right here and click on Offload App. So offloading the app will clear the cache and hopefully reset the things and also solve your problem. So that is how you can basically fix Twitter keeps scrolling up. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.